What are you planting?
Some
Raspberries.
Can you hold this?
Raspberry bushes, Daddy.
Let's dump
Looks like you're being a big helper, huh?
Hey, I'm a very big helper. Okay, it's good.
I'm gonna do some in the other.
No, right here, on top, right here.
Good job, Stella. And what do you have in your hands?
Some weeds.
What do you have in your hands?
Gloves.
Gloves. What kind of gloves?
Work gloves.
Stella Bee gloves? What color gloves are those?
Oh, and who bought them for you? Uncle Brian? Maybe Uncle Brian? Maybe Uncle Jeff?
All of this in here?
Yes. All right, that's good.
Beautiful.
Now I'm going to put some over here. This one.
Say, having fun with Poppy.